Mexicano, I'm working like a Mexicano. New persona, I'm moving on from Ferragamo. Get the number, I party with the real Madonna. Beat the odds, do numbers and remain humble.
Star boy day for you. Baby girl, you find yourself though.
I like baby hairs, but if you guys notice the trend of frontals, it's changing. Like, baby hairs used to be the it thing, like swoops down here and swoops all over the place, but like when you pay attention to stylists like Alonzo, Arrogant Tate, Kellon Derrick, a lot of different people, Tokyo Styles, you'll realize that they have shifted away from baby hairs and do like the natural no baby hair look, and I've fallen in love with that so much just because it like makes the frontal more realistic. So I stand highly for like not forcing it with baby hairs, and even if you do like baby hairs, which is cool, do not, and I mean do not, leave excess lace. Okay, so you guys are gonna realize that like I do not have a lot of excess lace. I literally leave such a small amount. I cut it as close, I cut the lace as close as I can to the hair. And this is because when you have a lot of excess lace, so like say the hair starts right here and then you cut the lace like right here, so you leave like this much of excess lace, what does that mean? That means it causes you to create extra baby hairs because you're trying to hide the lace. So I always tell my clients and I always tell people that lace is not your skin. No matter how much you can manipulate it by plucking it and tinting it and doing all these different things to it, at the end of the day, it's not your skin. So when people see you up close, they're gonna be able to see it. Like, there's no way to make it invisible and completely melt in your skin. We can only manipulate it to the point that it looks like it's your skin, but it's really not your skin. So just keep in mind that leaving a lot of excess lace causes you to make a lot of baby hairs or make your hair very obvious. So I don't leave a lot of excess, I don't leave excess lace. Like, I literally cut my lace as close to the hairline as possible. So that's just a rundown. Today I'm gonna be installing my wig with glue. I find that when I'm using the stocking cap method, it just looks way better when you're actually using glue instead of using got to be spray or got to be gel. So I personally like Bold Hold. It lasts longer, it melts and looks extremely good, especially when you give it time to like sink in and adhere with your cap. Today I'm gonna basically be doing a no baby hair frontal install. And the way that you can guarantee that you don't need baby hair and the way to make it look natural is by the way that you pluck. So recently I've been like changing the way I've been plucking my frontals, and it's made a huge difference. So instead of leaving that excess lace to resemble your skin, and like I said earlier, when you do leave that excess lace, it just makes it a little bit more obvious. You want to cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible and make sure the way that you're plucking is actually in a way that it's the way that you're plucking should be in a way that it just makes it look like you're like you have skin. Hold on, let me see if I don't really know how to explain it, but let me see if I can show you. So like right here, like you see how I'm pulling this back? I know you guys can see. Can you guys see that? I made basically fake skin just by the way that I plucked my hair. You see that back here? I know that like I have the clips. You guys will see what I'm talking about when everything is like said and done. I know the clips are kind of making it hard to see, but everything comes down to the way that you pluck the hairline. And I urge you guys, definitely like pay attention to other hairstylists. If you have a favorite hairstylist, I love Arrogant Tate and I love Alonzo Arnold. Those are my two favorite hairstyles right now when I need like inspiration or I'm trying to learn a technique. Pay attention. Like there's hairstyles out here that will like, you know, like just look at their pictures, look at the hairlines that they're creating. It's not, they don't really put baby hairs. It's very, very simple. So, but their technique is like plucking it, and the way that they pluck it, they make it look like you have skin. So guys, if you are using this method, if you're going to be using the glue method, I will tell you that if you're planning to do this for like an event or something, always do it the day before, because it looks poppin' the day that you do it, but I promise you it will look even more poppin' and more flawless the day after, because you're giving the glue and the lace need time to like sit together, sleep together, and get stuck together and stuff like that. So like the longer, you know, you like give it time to completely adhere together and stuff like that, I promise you the better it's gonna look. So like right here, I notice I have like a little shininess, and that's probably because of like excess glue. So I'm just spraying my 91% alcohol on a piece of paper towel, and I'm just gonna go in and lightly just go over that area. So if you do have like, if the glue is too shiny, or you know, you just put like a lot of excess, a little too much, and it's like on your skin, you can just lightly go in with the 91% alcohol, and it just takes it right away. So look at that. That made a difference. I was just trying to get the glue off of this area right here. Yes, 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 yes.
I said, baby, let's roll. Yeah. Baby, let's roll.